Hi guys, it's me. We're back for another very quick one. So what is happening? Malcolm is here. Wait, what are you doing? The Cavalier, right, is going in to have some very good friends of mine. Oh Christ, there's spiders everywhere. They're gonna go and fix that rust. Sorry the lighting's crap. I wasn't really planning on filming anything. It's an impromptu video. The Cavalier's going in to have some welding done to a unit literally like 4 doors down. I could obviously just pick it up on the back of Charlie and wing it round there. I think it would be quite cool to see if it starts before we take it round there. The other day, I pulled the spark plugs out of this. They didn't look too bad. I have turned it over by hand with a bit of a squirt of just WD-40 in there. Ooh, treasure. What is that? I don't know. WD-40, turn the engine over by hand on the crank. Plan is now, stick the NOCO on it, which is in Charlie. I'm a bit gutted because a company, I'll show you on another video, have sent me a boost pack that is a rival of NOCO. And you know how much I love the NOCO. So, but I was planning on using it to see if it would, because this is totally dead. This has got no power to it whatsoever. The battery is totally dead. I've tried to have it on my Jizz flash. Remember that video? There's my Jizz flash. Best battery charger you'll get in the world. Let's see if this starts. That's what we need to do. So, key is not in it. Its key is in my safe. I'm gonna go and get the key out, hook the NOCO up, and then you can be here for the first start. 3 years this has not started for. 3 whole years. I'm really sorry about the lighting in here. Can you see me? It all looks a bit green. Maybe it's the Cavalier making my face green. Right, so I'm gonna stop talking. Malcolm's looking at me like I'm an absolute pillock. I've got the key. Look at that for a Cavalier key. Do you remember them? NOCO. A few people have said, like, for a bit of a tutorial on it. Now, basically, if you've got a totally dead battery, what you can do is you can use the boost feature. Now, what I will say is this comes with a bit of a warning. If you've incorrectly hooked it up, you've put them on the wrong terminals, you have to really double check this, because if you do it wrong, you'll blow the ECU, you'll pop it. Hopefully you'll just pop a fuse, but you have to, and I mean, double and triple check everything. Let's use the light on the NOCO. I can see that this earth here goes directly to this terminal. So although this battery is old and dead, it has got a negative mark on there. And I know we've got red here, but don't always be convinced. Don't get suckered in that just because there's red cabling on a cable, that means it's a positive, because that's caught me out before. Can you see? What you do, turn your NOCO on, like so. So we've got a fully charged NOCO, which is good. Can you see? I'm trying to do everything here. Let's put some light on the subject. And what you want to do is hook your battery positive on. Then, this is where it all gets a little bit sketchy and can go a bit wrong. So, now we press, can you see that there? That's our boost button, little red button. We press and hold that. Right, this is now live. So I've got 11.8 volts there and up to 3,000 cranking amps, which, let me tell you, is enough to kill you. So you need to be careful with this, all right? No pissing about. Now, I'll put this on. Quite often you'll get a bit of a spark off this, but just to watch what's happening. Here we go. No spark. That's good. I want some rocket fuel. I want something that will, bit of easy start if you like, but I haven't got any easy start. What I have got is rocket fuel. Okay, it's gonna get a bit noisy and smelly in here, mate. Right, let's see if we've got anything on the dash. There we go. Okay, so we're live. Right, let's give that just a little bit. Little bit of a squirt. Let's see what happens. Everything's lubed. My oil levels are correct. Ready. Come on, old girl. You excited, Malk? You excited? Wait. Stay there. Right, ready? Let's get in. You okay? Just wait there. Right. 3rd time's a charm. kicking out like 16.5 volts, which is far too high, but that's probably got a lot to do with because the battery's dead. Listen to that, the V6 is alive. Oh, wow, come and celebrate. Guys, what a treat. Absolutely made up with that. Right, I'm gonna get the boys out of the way. We'll get the boys out and get the Cavalier up to the welders to get that done. Very quick video, but thank you for coming along. That's how I would start a car if it's been sat for 3 years or so, at least. Make sure it's got fluids. Listen to that purring. I love a V6. Progress is gonna start happening now, and then the big boy. Thanks for coming along. See you on the next one.